Hi guys! Today it's JT1, but part 2? The other one was just Tornadoes 2 with friends. I will spawn Titus for now. Let's go! Lemahai my Manuel. We just drifted in Titus for real. Let's go chase a EF4. Should be right around here. Oh, Dominator 3. Let's deploy. I will jump because Titus cannot survive a EF4. Bruh, the heavy probe ain't working. I have to use regular one. You will see Titus fly. Only 156 at peak. I thought 190 for real. There you goes. Let's use a tornado puncher. Another one? How? Emaspawn Titus undeployed, it will fly away. It's flying. Tornado puncher now. Big eyes, PLS subscribe.